Okay, what we got here, the hinge has come off. It's one of these rising butt hinges. And actually what's happened is there's hardly any wood there. The wood stops about right here, then the rest of it's brick. So what I'm doing now is I've drilled it out. I'm going to attempt to put a wall plug in there. And you want it as tight as possible. So this might work for you sometimes. Even in wood you could use it as a filler, but since it's brick, we're going to try just putting a wall plug in, and hopefully that'll do the job.